issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, west central Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Adams to near Pittsfield to near New Lebanon to Chatham, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southampton, Williamsburg, Huntington, Buckland, Conway, Shelburne, Russell, Ashfield, West Hampton, Chester, Blandford, Chesterfield, Worthington, Goshen, Cummington, Montgomery, Plainfield, Middlefield, Hawley, and East Windsor. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Hampton, and Hampshire. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio WWH-33, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting the latest weather forecasts, warnings, and other information 24 hours a day. WWH-33 is brought to you with the cooperation of Litchfield County Dispatch Incorporated and the state of Connecticut. WWH-33 is coming to you from a radio tower on Mohawk Mountain in Cornwall, Litchfield County, Connecticut, at 162.500 megahertz, and serves western Connecticut, adjacent portions of southeast New York, and the southern Berkshires. This program is provided by your National Weather Service office in Albany, New York, on the campus of the University at Albany. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a